Hello, everyone. This is Sam from PrismScroll and Magnus, Prism Dog. And we're here with 2020's first vlog update video that I am hoping to do more often since I'm working on the app a lot and kind of keep everybody posted on what got finished that day. And it also kind of helps me keep track of what was done in terms of progress for myself. So let's get started. So, as most of you already know, the latest update was weapon, armor, and item, and then magic item creation in the custom creator. So basically, reworking all of the custom creator windows to the new UI. So it's more tailored for our app rather than it was using a framework that wasn't exactly specific to our needs. So made something specifically for the Prism app. So it's nice to get it switched over. So what we're currently working on now and what I'm super excited about is features. So we'll show you what's kind of started right now. So there's a couple big changes with features, and the first one being kind of naming convention. So you'll notice two things here. They're called different things. So we're going from class and race features to leveled and unleveled features. So basically, when we first originally did this, my lack of knowledge made me, classify things that had a level as a class feature, but technically some races have leveled features. So we're taking away that and making it more simple and just calling it, does it have a level or does it not have a level? So you'll notice that feat is not in this list. What's going to happen is actually there's going to be a separate location for feats because they're slightly different. They have prerequisites and things like that. So that will be in a separate creation process and compared to features that get attached to other things. So moving on. So one thing you'll notice in this list is, so these are the special effects. So basically the effects that are going to be tracked throughout the app, like do you get a proficiency, do you get an advantage on a saving throw, and things like that. This is how you're going to apply them. So you'll notice that the special effects are named differently than what they used to be. So rather than advantage or disadvantage or actually talking about what the special effect does, we're kind of changing it so that um, you're going to pick what gets affected instead to start with, so that you're not trying to be like, well, if I get advantage on, stealth check, you'd have to press advantage and then press stealth. Why wouldn't you just press, find skills and then apply whatever you want to apply to two skills? So that's how that's going to work. I think it's going to be easier because you're going to be able to find the thing that you want to change in the list, and it'll be easier to kind of create what you want. So that is uh, the major changes. Also notice that we're also going to be adding variants to features. So with Unearth Arcana in November, they added this interesting, class features are going to have a, optional switch or features that you can swap out or enhance. So we're going to be kind of trying to stay on top of that now that we're reworking everything and take care of that now. I think we're going to provide a little bit more flexibility and give some creative landscape for maybe not only class features but maybe race features or that can have variants and things like that. So um, that is that. So basically, right now I'm trying to work through each of these, and basically you'll add it and then you'll select what you want. So for example, I selected ability scores, right? And then you want to say I want to add a flat bonus to ability score. So what level would it be at? Let's say I get +2, and then there we go. There's a bug there, but still in work in progress. So that is how that's going to work. So basically, you're going to kind of go into a new creation process for each special effect rather than using those pop-up alerts. So it's going to save a lot of work because I'm going to be able to reuse elements from the pages, this whole creation interface. So that would be, it should make it go a lot faster. So that is what we're working on now. We'll get into more specific details tomorrow, but hopefully do these. This one's a little bit longer today, just because it's the first one. But hopefully do basically 1 to 5 minute vlog videos about what I worked on yesterday, and then you guys can post questions or things that you saw, or things like, as I'm working on things, maybe things that you think should be added at that time, and then it would be the best time to mention it because I'm actually working on that part. So all right, that is it for today. Thanks for watching, and the doggone watch. All right, until tomorrow.